All right. So today we're going to talk about topic 5, DQ1. You can see here there are a set of instructions and help for the DQ posted already just right under the DQ. And so I'm going to go over the first step here, especially how to use the plan chooser. So you'll not be using the options provided in the DQ, but you'll be using a plan chooser which would generate a specific plan for your name. So the first step that you're going to do is download this one first and then open it. So once you open that, you'll see a name box and then some plan A and plan B. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and type that name in here. And you can see the base cost and per minute charge will change accordingly. For example, if I type a different name than mine, let's say John, so it's going to show a different set of plan, so which has included minutes, base cost, and per minute charge. Now, most of the students tend to ignore this part, included minutes, so I'm not going to allow that. You have to use the included minutes in the plan while you're working on your Excel. So make sure you particularly mention where you're using this included number of minutes. So some of you may not have it, so don't worry about that. But those who have it, you have to make sure that you're using it in the plan. It is there for a reason. All right, so I'm going to go back to my name. Now, this is the plan that is generated on my name. So you can see the base cost and the per minute charge. Now, I cannot work on this sheet because this is protected. So I'm going to go ahead and create one on my own, which I already did. So this is the layout of my Excel sheet that I'm going to work on. So here, type the name that you have used to generate the plan. So now this will help me to check if you have the right plan or not. So I always go into the plan generator and type the name of the student and check if they're using the right plan or not. Okay, so my plan. So let's look at my plan here. So that's $25.75 is the base cost. So I'm going to mention that here. Base cost and 75 cents per minute. And for my plan B, I have $20.99. So $20.99 base cost and $1 per minute. Now this is your first most important step. So now you already have everything, so you don't need the plan chooser anymore because you already have your plan written down in your Excel sheet that you're going to submit. Now, filling these sections is very important because this is what would help you make it easier for you to fill in these sections here and make a table and then a graph. So the first part is to write the equation. So I'm going to make this a bit larger because it might need more space. Okay. Now these equations are always in the form of mx plus b, so which I have already given it in my instructions. So this is how your linear equations for your plan should look like. So there is m, which is the slope, times x, which is your number of minutes, plus the base cost. So what does this mean is that, let's say your base cost is $20. So you have 20, which is your b, plus for every minute it's going to charge $1. So you're going to have m as your cost per minute, which is $1, and then x is number of minutes. So 20 plus how many minutes you're going to talk times the charge, which is $1. So let's go back to the sheet and then fill the slope and y-intercept. So for your plan A, you can clearly see your B, which is your y-intercept, or the base cost is $25.75. So you're going to type that in. And then the slope is 75 cents. So you can type that in as well. Slope is nothing but your per minute cost. Now same for plan B. And then here you have $20.99. And then you can type in the equation, which is easy now that you already have the slope and the intercept. So y equal to mx plus b, where your m is 0.75, x plus b is 25.75. Now same for this. 1x plus 20.99. So this is your mx plus b format of your linear equation.